To suit individual needs, calf and/or thigh liners can be added to relieve condyle pressure, optimize comfort, and reduce migration. Liners are available in 2 or 6 mm thickness. Place the doeskin thigh liner on the designated loop section to optimize comfort. Place the Active Grip calf liner on the designated loop section to optimize grip. Apply the brace. Offset is created between the hinge and knee.